Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Formosa Fantasy, and on my channel I do hair, makeup and other little videos here and there. So today I felt like dabbling in some pastel colors, a bold wing liner and all that good stuff. Yes, so do me one little favor and just subscribe to my channel. Please help a sister out. You know, it ain't gonna hurt you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you never want to miss an upload, you can follow me on all my socials, which is linked in the description box down below. So, if you like this look, keep on watching. As you can see, I did my brows off camera. A detailed brow tutorial is on my channel, and I'm taking the P. Louise base in room number 2 to base my eyelids so I can put my eyeshadow on. Then going into my Profusion Cosmetics Festival palette tutorial, and I'm going into that pinkish, well, it's a light pink color, and that's the first shadow I'm starting with. Now I'm wiping off my brush so that I can go into the next shadow, and I'm using the Morphe 35 Icy Fantasy palette, and I'm taking that pastel purple, and that's my second color, and I'll be blending it in beside the pink shade. I'm only using one brush, so I'll be wiping off and applying colors. Then I'm back into that icy palette, and I'm taking that pastel blue, and I'll be placing it right beside the purple. Wiping off the brush again, going in that pastel green, and applying it beside that blue. I wasn't too sure on what I wanted to do or how many colors, so I went back into the other palette and I placed the pastel orange and yellow, and you'll see, there you go, those two shades. Taking my P. Louise again, and I'm just placing a little bit on my eyelid and then looking up so that I can see where I want to cut my crease. Now I'm blending it with this blending brush. Then I'm taking this other blending brush to get up in those corners. Going back into my icy palette, and I'm taking that. It is a glittery white pearl shade, and that's what I'll be placing on my lid where I did the cut crease. I don't know what I did wrong here. Maybe I should have put some glitter glue on, but it was a little bit patchy when I applied it. I'm taking a royal blue liner, liquid liner. I got these, as I said, on Amazon, and I'll be doing a wing liner with this. And then I'm going over on top of that wing liner with a pigment that I bought from Louis Diamond. She is a makeup artist in Jamaica, and she has her own pigments and glitter. This blue is so beautiful. It's a cobalt blue, royal blue. It's so beautiful. I love it. Now I have a very small nail, so I'm taking a makeup wipe and that nail, and I am cleaning up my wing and then whatever fallout that was left on my face. Did my face off camera because it was so repetitive. I went into the room number 0, and that is the color, that's the pigment, that's the blue pigment, and I'm putting it on my waterline. So I apply the the Rumor Base Zero first, which is the white one, and then I go on top of it with the blue pigment. Look at that pigment come through. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the deal. I'm a nude lip kind of girl. Bold eyes, nude lip. Not saying that I'm not into lipsticks. I am, but I just keep it simple on the lips. So I'm going in with a regular coal brown pencil and lining my lips with that. And then I'm going to go over on top of it with my Diamond Gloss lip gloss from Shop Miss A. And I'll be putting it on top of that. Very beautiful. And that's it for it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell if you never want to miss an upload. You can follow me on all my social, which will be linked in the description box below. Thanks again for watching. Bye, my beauties.